Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Monday, January 14th, 2019. On the 11th, there was a strong explosion from the Nevados de Chillan volcano in Chile, resulting in a partial dome collapse, followed by gas emissions and ejections of pyroclastic material onto the slopes. On the 13th, a large earthquake swarm began occurring near the Santorini volcano in Greece. So far, 16 earthquakes between magnitude 2 and 3.9 have been detected, around 30 kilometers deep. Officials believe the activity to be caused by tectonic venting, but will be monitoring the activity closely. Seismic activity in the Canary Islands has been increasing dramatically for the past 3 years, passing from 330 quakes in 2016 to 1,100 in 2017 and 1,527 in 2018. Officials claim to not know the cause of the increase, but there is an underwater fault between Gran Canaria and Tenerife, which is the location where almost all of the quakes have struck. But according to scientists, the underwater fault is currently inactive. Deadly winter storms are currently sweeping across both sides of the Atlantic. Winter Storm Gia has already killed 5 people in weather-related crashes in the U.S. Midwest. And in Europe, 24 people have died so far due to severe winter storms, with deadly avalanches in Switzerland and Austria being the main causes. In Germany and Austria, troops and tanks were sent in to rescue homeowners from neck-deep snow. Many researchers believe that our planet is headed towards a mini ice age, caused by a grand solar minimum. Some believe a planetary body or planetary system with a binary star is approaching, while others say this is being intentionally caused by the global elite for depopulation. Mainstream scientists and media will tell you that this is from global warming, and it is caused by a greenhouse effect by which humans are to blame. What do you think is causing the major changes we're seeing on our planet? Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Protect your body against the toxins we're exposed to every day through our food, water, and air. Check out GetTheT.com. They have everything you need to get your body and mind back to a healthy state. Right now, you can get over $100 off of a 12-month supply of Life Change Tea. Just let them know you were sent by Forbidden Knowledge News when you check out. That's GetTheT.com.